Hi guys, I'm Kfash. In this video, we will be unboxing the new Dell Xps 15 9500 2020. This is my first YouTube video, so if you love tech unboxing, latest tech news, and smart home gadgets, please like, subscribe, and become one of my favorite person in the world. So, let's start. Please don't mind my killer knife. So I got this laptop because my former laptop is quite old. I've been using it for 5 years and kind of have a lot of issues with it. Like my keyboard is bad, the battery is bad, the display is bad. So I was deciding between getting the Dell Xps or the MacBook Pro 13, but I noticed that the Dell Xps for the configuration is more cheaper and has more features than the MacBook Pro 13. So I decided to get the Dell Xps. Oh, that's nice. Another box. So we're going to throw this other one away. And this is another box. Wow, this is nice. This is so premium. Okay, so we have another black box here. Yeah, and this is magnetic. So nice, so satisfying. This is magnetic. Okay. Ooh. Now this is looking gorgeous. Wow. Ooh. Wow, this laptop is beautiful. Wow. So let's drop this here. And let's see what else we got in the box. So yeah, we have our power cable. Ooh. So right here, because the laptop is all USB-C, we have a USB-C dongle that breaks out to USB Type A and HDMI. Okay. So, wow. So we have the 130 watts USB-C power brick, so which means I can use this to charge my phone, my boards, my power bank, my speaker, everything, because I always make sure I get USB-C devices. Like that's the best. USB-C is just the sweetest. So I think that's okay. Then we have some safety, blah blah blah. Dell Xps 15 9500. Oh, so you're showing us how to plug the laptop. Thank you, Dell, because I don't know how to plug the laptop. So anyway, I'm going to throw this away, and this also. Then we're going to face the laptop. Wow, I didn't know it was going to be this nice and sleek. Like, I love it already. Like, my former laptop was a 14 inches and I bet this is almost the same size, and this is a 15-inch laptop. Wow, I bet it's going to be maybe slightly bigger than a MacBook Pro 13, and this is a 15-inch laptop. It's crazy, man. Okay. Wow. Like the body is made up of aluminum. So we have Thunderbolt 3, two Thunderbolt 3 over here. We have a Kensington lock, and We have a USB Type-C that also supports charging, data and display. The micro SD card, yeah, I need that. I'm a hardware guy, so I deal with Raspberry Pis, and I'm planning to buy a 3D printer, so this is going to be useful for me. And I'm also planning to buy a camera. So you have the headphone jack. Wow, laptop is so nice and sleek. Wow. So see that huge trackpad. Wow. So let's boot this up. Okay guys, so I finished setting up Windows, and the display is just the most outstanding thing about the laptop with its tiny bezel. It makes it look so beautiful and futuristic. The model I got have Intel Core i7-10750H 45W processor. It has 16 gig of DDR4 RAM, 2 slots, which means you can upgrade it to 64 gig of RAM. It has 512 NVMe SSD slots, that's 2 of them, so I'll be adding another one in future. It has a full HD display with 16:10 aspect ratio and support with HDR. It also has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. It also has fingerprint and Windows Hello, which seems to work very well. So I'm going to be using this laptop for some few days, and I'll be giving you a full review of the laptop, including what I like and dislike, and I'll also be telling you if it's worth buying or not in another video. So once again, this is my first YouTube video, so I would like you to leave the comments on what you think, and don't forget to like, subscribe. See you on the next one.